Alright y'all, this is part 2 of today's videos, so welcome back if you watched part 1. If you're new here, hi, my name's Kimmy. Today we are decorating the kitchen for Halloween. So I have all these little Halloween decorations out and I want to get them put away. I really need to buy another tub because last year I didn't have a lot of fall or Halloween decor, so it all fit in one tub. But this year I think I just need one tub because all my fall decor is now in the tub that I had all this Halloween decor in. But for today we'll just consolidate it. We'll put it all in my office and then I will go out and get another tub or two tomorrow, and then we'll do some more undecorating on Monday. But let's go ahead, get into this video. I also have a lot of laundry that needs to be put away in our bedroom, and then also in my office I have a closet in there that I put all my clothes in, so we'll have to do that in this video as well. So if you need some undecorating motivation and some more laundry motivation, then just keep watching. So here's an overview of everything we're undecorating in the kitchen. I got all the table stuff that needs to be taken off. And here's my little red and black tablecloth that I'm going to put on. That one is from Dollar General. And then I got to take this tier tray down. We'll leave the tier tray, but we'll take all the stuff out of it. Got this little towel right here. Got that stuff up there. And the little witchy sign, and then we'll get into the laundry. So let's go ahead and get started.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer. It was cold, said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. So alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer.
Alright, kitchen is straightened up for now. I did not do my dishes. Also, the camera's going to start focusing on the window, but I wanted to show y'all how empty it looks whenever I take everything off the counters and off the table. I actually really love that there's nothing on this table. If I put anything on it, it is literally going to be something right in the middle, but like not all that other chaos. But Counter's clean. Dishes need to be done. I'm going to hold off on that because we're still going to eat dinner later, so I'll just do them all tonight. But got my soaps there and my diffuser. And then over here, got my utensil basket. And then this basket, this was from Dollar General. That's from Hobby Lobby. Sometimes y'all ask me where I get certain things. Wax warmer, that was gifted to me by one of you, and she got it at Walmart. Then got the microwave, and I just put my cupcakes and the tomatoes up there. But got everything cleaned up. So now we can go ahead and get into the laundry. I did use that blue basket that I had all of Aaron's clothes in, so now we're going to go in the bedroom, and now all of his clothes are just on the bed, so we'll go ahead and get that done. But this is my to-do list for today. I already filmed the meal plan and grocery haul and put it away, so that was uploaded this morning. And then right now we're undecorating the kitchen, and then we're going to put away / fold the clothes. But the undecorating took such little time that we're gonna go ahead and do this now instead of making it like into a third video. So there's probably just gonna be 2 videos for today. But let's go ahead and get those clothes put away.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign.